Hi, welcome to Comprehensive English Lab. If you're new to IELTS and struggle with fast audio, diverse accents, tricky words, or confusing synonyms in listening, then great news. This series is for you. Here, we use the real test format, but with simpler language to build active listening skills. Step by step, no stress, just steady progress. Feel good? Let's dive in ASAP and improve IELTS listening together.
You will hear a conversation between two friends complaining a new flatmate. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6.
Hi, Richard. I'm happy I found you. Can we talk? Our new flatmate Anders is not what I hoped. Do you feel the same about his behavior?
Yes, Tom, I understand. But we can't say only bad things. He has good points too. He is quiet. He doesn't play loud music at night. He doesn't disturb people with his TV.
Yes, he is quiet. But our last flatmate said hi, smiled, and was polite to everyone. Anders is impolite. He only makes a grunt sound, or sometimes he ignores me.
Maybe that is just his way, his character. I think he doesn't know he is impolite. It's not a big problem for us. We can ignore him too, and live our own lives.
But his friends are difficult to ignore when they come.
I know, but how often do they come? I see them maybe once or twice a month. If they came more, it would be bad. But now it's okay, right?
I'm not sure. When they come, the house smells bad from cigarette smoke. We don't allow smoking in the flat.
I never saw them smoke inside. Maybe they smoke outside. We can talk to Anders about it. But remember one good thing. He pays the rent on time. Our last flatmate always paid late.
Yes, he pays on time. But a good flatmate does more. He turns off the TV, cleans his dishes, dresses nicely, and is polite. He must work together with others. Anders doesn't do that well.
Okay, you are right.
Before you hear the rest, you have some time to look at questions 7 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 7 to 10.
Tom, let's talk to Anders about these things. If we make him leave, we must find a new flatmate. That is difficult, and the new person may not be better. So, let's give Anders a chance. I have paper. Let's make a short list of things to tell him.
Okay. We give him one more chance. Right communication. We tell him to.
We can't change his personality fast. Let's have a meeting every week for all flatmates. Ask him to come. That way we can know him better. I write a 10 meeting.
Okay. But we must talk about his friends. They can't do what they want. Right, friends, and then don't smoke inside or outside.
Let's not be too direct. It can make him angry. I write follow rules. Then we tell him the rules. TV off. By 10 p.m. No loud music, no bad behavior, no smoking.
Okay. But I want to say clearly about smoking. I hate cigarettes. Right, cigarettes strictly forbidden.
Okay, I write forbidden. What about cleaning? Anders is not good at that. He leaves dirty dishes and cups.
Right must do better.
No, Tom, that sounds bad. He can get angry. I write must be done. I tell him it is for everyone, not only him. Okay?
Okay? As long as he understands.
This is the end of the recording.